Good morning, everyone. This is JB. Just want to give you a quick runabout on Robinhood and how to get set up and place some options trades in Robinhood, which is a very beginner trader friendly application. Okay, this is a broker, so you just download the mobile app and you could sign up just by downloading the mobile app. And when you do sign up for the mobile app, come in here, make sure that you're set up for level 3 options trading, which is right here in the middle of the screen. So you can trade options. And then also something to be aware of when you're trading options in Robinhood, you have this day trade tracker. You see right here it says day trades 0. Go to day trade settings. You want to keep your pattern day trade protection on, and it kind of gives you an explanation right here on the bottom what the Pdt rule is. So if you have less than $25,000 in your account, you can only trade 3 day trades in a 5-day span. Okay, so this is one of the downfalls of trading on Robinhood or trading on margin in general. But those I can explain in another video. So get set up to trade options in Robinhood. Like I said, Robinhood's real beginner friendly, mobile friendly. So here's your home screen. I don't use Robinhood that much at all, but I have in the past. See, so I've made $6,000 all time here during my time using Robinhood, but that's a long time ago. So just for an example, you can set up your watch list here. So how to go about creating a watch list? You could do, you could create a new list here, and I'll just put today's date, or I'll just put today, because every day changes. Put today. Then you could do find stocks, and you could just search. What's a common one is Apple, right? So here's your Apple ticker. You just enter your ticker. You hit the plus icon, and that's it. And then you exit out, and then boom, you have Apple here. Now to trade Apple, you just click on the stock, and it has the daily chart here. The daily chart is always in 5-minute time frame. The 1 week, I believe, is in 10 minutes. Yeah, see, it's in 10 minutes. The 1 month is by the day. 3 month is by the day. I think even a year is by the day. And then the 5 year is by the week. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's a line chart, and here's they just started doing this candle charts, so you can see which candles were buying candles and which candles were selling candles. Green candles were buying and red candles were selling, and wicks represent some indecision. So, but those can be explained later. So when you click on a stock, you got a little bit of information here about the stock. It gives you about and a little about me. It gives you their financial stats, for the year, average volume, um, the 52-week high, 52-week low, yesterday's statistics, the open, high, low. Okay, there's also news headlines provided. It gives you some analyst ratings, what the bulls are saying and what the bears are saying. It gives you a little bit of research here. Earnings, previous earnings, so a little bit of financial, not too in depth. Okay, so that's pretty cool there. But to actually place the trade, which is the interesting part, is you just hit the trade button. You hit trade, boom. You can either buy equity shares or you can trade options. And most beginner traders have small accounts, so buying shares is not really the best way to grow your account. You want to trade options because that could lead to fast growth. It is risky, but that's what we're here for. We're here to help you learn how to trade options. So we'll just click trade options. And there's four different things you can do. You could think that the stock's going up. You could think that the stock's going down. You could think that it's going to go up or down, or you could think it's going to stay flat. Now, these two here, going up or down, which is called a straddle or a strangle, or these iron condors, where it's going to be like flat or butterfly, these are more of your advanced option strategies. So we're going to avoid those, and I can explain those at another time as well. So what we're going to focus on are the basic calls and puts. So, and don't worry about these three down here. We're just going to worry about the top one. You want to buy a call because you think that the stock is going to go up. At your entry point, you think, say, Apple's trading at 171, you think it's going to go up to 172. So at 171, when you buy it and it goes up, you also make profit. Vice versa with puts. Say you think it's going to go down to 170. So you buy a 170 put, it goes down to 170, you're going to make profit. Okay? So that's what we're going to focus on. So, and you could read into the Robinhood description here if you need a little more clarification. But I can also go into more depth about calls and puts in another video. So let's just go to the closest expiration. Right now I'm on the Discover tab, which just kind of explains the different situations you may look for. But we know we're going for calls or puts. I think it's going up for calls. I think it's going down for puts. That's pretty straightforward. So March 25th is a Friday. Every expiration date is a Friday expiration, unless markets are closed on Friday. So here it is. So you think that Apple is going to go up to 172.50 by Friday. So you could click on the 172.50 call because you think it's going to go up. Click it. It'll select it. You just continue. You enter your number of shares here, one share, and you enter your bid price. So it automatically sets to the market price, which is 55. So for one contract, it'll cost you $55, and it even breaks down your risk to reward down there. So your max loss is $55, and your profit is unlimited. But if you're going to hold it all the way through expiration, just to break even, you need to hit 173. If it closes at 175, you're profiting. If it closes at 172.50, you're gonna lose the max loss, $55. But we could explain that at another time. Okay, so just for this point is how you place the trade. So you'll just hit your quantity and your buying price. Okay, so for one is $55. Say you want to buy 10, you just multiply it. So that's $550. Okay. So quantity, you got your buying quantity, your buying price, and it breaks it down. You just review. I don't have enough buying power, but when you hit review, it'll bring it up as a confirmation window, and you just confirm your order, and it'll go through. Now, vice versa for puts. You want to buy puts, you just buy here. You select which put you would think is going to go down to 170. It's going to sell off, so you'll select 170 puts. Same thing. One, then you'll hit your quantity price. 125, we'll say. So it'll cost me for one, 125. Okay? So it's pretty straightforward. You review it, then you'll confirm your order, and your order will be placed. And then to sell it, you would just select it. It would be on your front screen as up here on the top as a My Positions window. And you would just select it, and you would close position, and you would close it the same way you open an order is the same way you would close it. So say you're in Apple calls, right? So to sell it, it would be the same kind of deal. So how many contracts you have, say you bought 5, and then you would sell it for whatever price you want to. Say you made 100% on a 50-cent contract, so you want to sell it for $1, right? You bought it for 50, which is $2.50, and it went all the way to $1. So you want to sell it for $1, right? So you sell it for $1, and then you would review, place your trade. Okay, and boom, that's it. That's how you trade in Robinhood. So do me a favor. If you want to learn more about options trading, join our free Discord channel. It's Blue Chip Trading, and the invite link will be in the bio. So go ahead, subscribe if you want to learn more, like this video, and also join the Discord channel for free. It's a free Discord channel where we have buying alert systems. It's a growing community, and we'd love to have you. I hope you enjoyed this video.